We're making potato pizza today. It's just potato and a little bit cornstarch here. So I'm showing you how I'm putting it on the baking paper. I'm just taking it out here. Here is mashed potatoes and already starch in. It's just 2 ingredients. Just put a little bit starch so it like holds on together better. And do it with hands, you know. Don't be afraid. Just get in, get fully in, and just make it to your liking. I like round ones, and it's actually super easy. If you want to avoid gluten, it's totally high carb, low fat. Another cool pizza idea. Just make it as thin as you like or as thick as you like. Just make it more round. It's more like a moon shape, or I don't know what it is. And yeah, and I have like 2 pizza bases here, so we're going to add some tomato sauce and different toppings I'm going to show you soon. So we're going to put them in just to bake it before we're adding toppings. Henry's cutting some leek. Here we have some zucchini, spinach, onion, a little bit leftover kimchi. Henry tofu here marinating. I'm not putting tofu because it makes me gassy. Okay, so yep. Mushrooms, tomatoes, so good tomato sauce.
Then we have zucchini and fresh onion.
Yeah. This is the toppings for our pizza. Oh no! We're doing the other side now. I don't know. Dangerous.
I don't know how to remove it.
Then gently try to take it off because we want to cook the other side as well. There will come some off, you know. You can't really hold that away, but no. Calories. No. We also eat a lot of salad with our cooked food, so the cooked food will digest better and gives more water and hydration, and I just love greens as well, and they are important part in our diet as well. I'm not letting any calories waste. So what it is in our salad?
Just greens, I think. Cucumber. Not even tomato here.
I'll just put like a veggie mix here. Then I put iceberg lettuce, And I put cucumber. I really don't like tomato in my salad in some reason. And then I put a little bit soy yogurt just to make it creamy, or coconut yogurt if I have. And a little bit some seasoning, some salt maybe a little bit. And here actually it's not salt, like it's tasteless. But yeah, this is my simple salad. So this is my pizza crust. Yeah, Henry's going to cover my pizza. I want tomato paste, please.
This with onion and garlic.
Yeah. No need too much, you know, just for covering. We put a lot of sugar here, so it's actually very tasty. Yummy, look at this already. So, and I actually want spinach leaves. I want to put them like this.
Should I put them under the sauce?
No, I like them like this. Why under?
And it keeps, then it doesn't get soaky.
No, I don't care about that. And tomato. Here, 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 and here. Let's put some let's put some leek. Yummy. I really like leek. It's like sweet onion. Oh, I want some kimchi as well, just to give this little taste. Let's put this on. A little bit mushrooms. I like these tiny mushrooms. They are so cool. A little bit champignons as well. Look at this, my pizza. Let's put it in the oven again. And now Henry's pizza.
I put a little bit more tomato sauce.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, all of it basically.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
More mushrooms? No. Oh.
Yes, I put some champignons.
Mm-hmm. What mushrooms you like the most?
I like all mushrooms. I like
Me too.
Chanterelles. I like all these like tiny mushrooms.
Me too.
Like
Though I don't eat them every day. I eat them like occasionally because like I don't know. I like more simple meals. I don't like too much ingredients.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then I put a little bit of this stuff. Zucchini. Not much. Just to give it something additional. Tomato.
Do you miss some kind of cheese or meat in your pizzas?
Actually, if you make them like this, you don't really even think about it.
It's like a lot of stuff and veggie pizza, like
Then I have some
tofu.
tofu. which I marinated, so it's tasteless otherwise, but let's see how it comes out. And I actually froze it before because it helps remove a lot of the water, and if you remove a lot of the water, then it will soak in whatever taste you put it. Like if you put some marinade, then it sucks it actually in, otherwise it doesn't get so much in. There's a lot of stuff here, it's looking pretty good. And then finally I'll add a little bit of kimchi. Not too much.
Yeah, the kimchi.
It's really spicy kimchi.
It's really salty and spicy kimchi, so we're putting it so much less.
And then later I'll top it off with
Onion?
Fresh onion, yeah. But I don't want to kill it in the oven. Okay.
And our pizzas go in the oven. Woohoo! Mine and Henry's. So this is my ready pizza. It's a little bit burned in my liking, but it's going to be tasty. And definitely you can do some creamy sauce on top of here as well. I like to hold it low fat, so you can do like cauliflower or potato, cheese. Sweet here, I was just lazy today, so I'm eating this with my salad. Look at this! It looks delicious! Which pizza looks better? I think mine looks more healthier, greener, and yours more like pizza. So let's taste it. Ooh, it's so hot. Really, like the potato is like dough there. You don't really make difference. I really like it. It's so good. Try it out, super healthy, super easy to make, and yeah, everything that is needed in a high carb, low fat lifestyle.